If I gotta go, I gotta go, you know?
We want you to go. We want you to go. That's why we're here.
I am declaring, effective 3 o'clock today, a declaration of emergency. Zone A or B, you need to evacuate before tomorrow night. This is a mandatory evacuation.
It was really not that scary, but when I actually seen the water, it kind of got me a little shaken up. Me, Mom, and my little sister, she was scared of the water, so she actually got a little scared.
The men and women and so many across this city deployed quickly and rapidly and went into flooding waters and rescued over 300 people. This is about bringing our city and our community together. This is about getting back to normal operations. Jacksonville was on the way up before this and continues to be on the way up.